Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 AGRIC Science Objective Part Question 15. So you have a table here with plots, 4 plots and 4 years. So what is illustrated on a table, you have a particular crop grown on a particular plot for a particular year. For example, plot 1, yam is grown year 1, groundnut is grown year 2, maize year 3, cowpea year 4, and like that for the remaining plots. Now, the cropping system illustrated in the table is A. Mixed cropping, B. Crop rotation, C. Shifting cultivation, D. Land rotation. Now, option A, which is mixed cropping, is when 2 or more crops are grown on the same land simultaneously. So that is mixed cropping, and from what we have here, of course, that is not the case in this. So you don't have 2 crops being grown on the same piece of land at the same time. So that is not the answer to this question. Now, option B says crop rotation, and crop rotation is described as changing the type of crop grown on the land each season or year. So as you can see here, that is actually the case here, because the type of crop that is grown on the land on each plot is changed each season. For example, now on plot 2, for the first season or for the first year, groundnut was grown, and then for the next year another crop was grown, maize. Likewise, the third and the fourth year. So option B, crop rotation, is the correct answer to this question. Now, shifting cultivation is when a piece of land is cleared of vegetation and cultivated for a few years and then abandoned for a new area until the fertility of that particular land has been restored. So as you can see, it is not what we have here, and it is not the answer. And lastly, option D, which is land rotation, is similar to shifting cultivation, but in land rotation, the farmer cultivates the piece of land for a time and then leaves it to another land, leaves it to another land when it becomes infertile. Okay, so of course that is not the case here, so it is incorrect. So as we have rightly established, option B, crop rotation, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.